You open your inbox, read an important email, and think, I will deal it later. Then what happens? 10 new emails comes in, then 20 more. By the end of that day, your important email is gone, buried somewhere in your inbox. You forget to reply. Your boss is asking questions. Familiar with that? So there is a simple feature in new Outlook that will solve your problem, which is flags. Think of it a digital sticky note that will remind you for that. So let me show you exactly how it works. So welcome to my channel. I'm Amit Bansal. So I share quick Outlook tips to make your life simpler. So if you are new here, hit subscribe and bell icon. So before we start clicking, let me tell you what flags actually do. So imagine you have a stack of papers on your table, and when something needs attention, you simply put a sticky note on saying, I will deal it on Friday. So that's exactly what flags do on your emails. So when you flag an email, three things happen. First, the email get a flag icon, so it stand out visually in your inbox like this. Second, it appears in your to-do list, so you have one place to see all your pending follow-ups. Third, if you set a due date, Outlook can remind you. You will get a notification when it's time to follow up. The beauty, the email will still be in your inbox, but you won't forget about it. So it's in your task list now. Now let me show you 3 ways to flag your email. Method 1, the quickest way. One click and done. So here is my inbox. Let's say I need to follow up on this email from myself about the attachment flow. So simply move your mouse over the email. Don't click on it, just hover. See these 3 to 4 icons appears on the right side. You might be delete, pin, move to, and the last one is flag, which is here it's look like a little flag or banner. Simply click on it and boom, done. This email is now flagged. Now when you scroll through your emails, the email pops. You can't miss it. So when you use this quick method, the default due date is today. So Outlook assume that you are going to deal with this email today. But what if you need more time? In that case, method 2 will be applicable. So method 2, flag with a specific due date. This is where it get really useful. Let's say I got an email about a report that due date next Friday, and I don't need to respond today. I need to follow up next week. So here is my one email, RA69CA certificate. So I right click on the email, a menu appears, look for flag, hover over it, and here are your options. Today, due date is today, remind today. Tomorrow, you will be reminded tomorrow. This week, due date is next Monday, perfect for things you will handle after a weekend. No date, flag it but no specific deadline. And the custom, pick any date you want. Now for this email, I will click next week, flagged, and the due date is set on next Monday. So let me show you the custom option as well. It's handy. So simply right click on it, flags, now custom. A dialog box open. You can set a start date here. Say I will select Saturday, and the due date, I will set it to next Saturday. Now click save. Now this email will remind me specifically on the 10th of January. No guessing, no forgetting. So this is perfect for client follow-ups, deadline reminders, or anything specific you want. Set it and forget it. Outlook will remember for you. Now method 3, flag from inside an open email. So flag while you are reading the email. Sometimes you don't decide to flag until you open the email and read it. So no problem. So open an email. So I open this one. Look at the toolbar on the top. So under tags, I will have this flag option. Now notice there is a small drop down arrow next to it. Click on the drop down and same options as before. Today, tomorrow, this week, next week, no date and custom. I will pick tomorrow this time and done. Email flag for tomorrow, and I can close this email knowing I will remind it. So you can also check there is a note added, flagged start from 2026 January 6, due on January 6. So if you just click the flag button without using the drop down, it defaults for today. So you must use the drop down for more options. Now here, where flags become really powerful, you can see all your flagged emails in one place. No more hunting through your inbox. One list, all your follow-ups. So look at the left side of your Outlook and there is an options panel over here. You have to find to do. It might look like a checkbox or something. This is the to do. When I click on it, this opens your to do area. So look for flagged email. Click on it. So look at this. Every single email you have flagged is right here, all in one place. See the due date as well. So this one is due for tomorrow. This one is for later this week. And these two emails don't have any dates. These are my custom flag. So this is your daily routine now. Start your each day by checking your flagged email. See what's due today, handle it first, and that's it. You don't have to worry about your emails now. And you can also click any email from here and open it directly. Once you click on it, you can check the mail here. You can use this view to in Outlook option. It will open your email in a separate window. Okay, you flagged an email, you followed up. Now what? Your mark is completed. So there are two ways to do that. I again go to my email inbox. Now, so hover your flagged email. See that the flag turn into a check mark. That means it's completed. The email stay in your inbox. We are not deleting it, but it is no longer for your follow-up list. Your task is done. Or if you want to remove the flag entirely, right click on the email, click near the flag. Now click clear flag. The flag is gone. No check marks, no flag, just a normal email again. So what should you prefer? I prefer clicking to mark complete. I will see the check mark and I feel satisfying. But clear flag is also good. It is useful when you accidentally selected an email and flagged it. So before you go, I will show you some pro tips for using flag efficiently. First, don't over flag. If everything is flagged, nothing stand out. Flag only emails that really needs follow-up. Use different dates strategically. Not everything is urgent for today. Spread your follow-ups for the week. Third, check your flagged email list every morning. Make it part of your routine. Just 2 minutes to check out what is important and due today. Fourth, combine flags with folders and categories. And finally, fifth one is you can flag your send email too. If you are required or waiting for a quick reply, flag your send email. Yes, you can flag send emails too. Go to the send folder. Now I need to flag this email. Same process, select the email and flag an email. Now you will remember to chase that person if they don't reply. So start flagging emails today, literally right now. Go flag one email after this video. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.